Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. If you're new to the channel, I'm Rebecca. Today we're going to be making a healthy and nutritious appetizer or snack, and it only requires a few ingredients to make. We'll be making some homemade hummus. And one of the ingredients that we'll be using today is some fresh squeezed lemon juice. If you watched my video on how I made homemade limoncello, you know that I had some extra lemons and I saved that lemon juice to create a number of different recipes using lemon juice, and this is one of them. So let's head to the kitchen so we can prepare some homemade hummus using our food processor. Alright, so let's get our homemade hummus put together. So into my food processor, I'm going to add 2 cans of 15.5-ounce chickpeas or garbanzo beans. And what I did was I drained it away and I'm reserving the liquid that the canned chickpeas came in, and we'll be using some of that later for this recipe. So I'll put 2 cans of chickpeas into there. Next I'll add a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice and a 1/4 cup of tahini sauce. Now for the seasonings, I have 2 cloves of garlic that are minced up. If you're using the pre-minced, then just use 1 teaspoon. And I have a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Then we'll add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And salt to taste. I usually like about a teaspoon. Now I'll put the lid on here and I will puree this until it's nice and smooth. And what I'm going to do is add probably about a 1/3 cup of this canned chickpea liquid that I reserved when I drained the chickpeas away. So let's make this into a puree. And there you go. We have some nice homemade hummus. It's a nice smooth texture. So what I'm going to do is plate this up and then we can go over some suggestions of what you might like to have with your homemade hummus to make a nice complete snack or appetizer. Alright, here we have our homemade hummus. And I have off to the side a couple of things that you can consider serving this with. I have some pita chips here and some carrots and cucumber. Hummus serves very nicely with pita chips or a crudité platter or veggie tray, as well as flatbread. So keep watching and I'll share with you my homemade flatbread recipe, which is really easy and quick to put together as well. Now, when I serve the homemade hummus, what I like to do is take a spoon and just make a little well in the middle. And then I drizzle some olive oil in there. You can sprinkle it around the side. Another thing that works nice is to garnish with either some fresh parsley or maybe some paprika. That just gives it a little color and a little added flavor as well. I like to serve it with a little spoon so people can portion out whatever they'd like and put it on their plate. What's fun about hummus is that it's a really versatile item to make. You can really switch up the flavors and ingredients with this. You can add different spice variations, maybe a 1/2 teaspoon of onion and garlic powder or crushed red pepper flakes. You can also change the toppings. So I did a simple olive oil with paprika today. You could also do roasted red pepper puree or a minced Kalamata olive or Kalamata olive paste. That would be really nice as well. Just play around with what flavor combinations you enjoy or what you have on hand. Most of the items that I used today you can have in your pantry or you can easily pick up from the local grocery store. And this works nicely in lunches as well. You can pack a portion of the hummus and then some other pita chips or flatbread or maybe some various vegetables, and you have a nice healthy snack on the go. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today while we made this homemade hummus. It was quick and easy to put together, and now we have a nice healthy snack that we can have on the go or to serve as an appetizer as well. If you'd like more inspiration on snacks and appetizers or other recipes, you can check out my playlist on the topics. And today I used up some lemon juice from a previous project, so be sure to keep checking out different recipes I have where lemon plays a role in the recipe. If you're new to the channel or haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate you subscribing. If you enjoy this or any other video that you watch, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Well, I hope you're having a great day. See you next time. Take care.